Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at HyperLists. This is a brand new software. It's gonna let you guys build your list fast on complete autopilot without worrying about fake emails, secondary emails, and unresponsive email addresses. Now with this application guys, you'd be able to build hyper email subscribers that are 10x more engaged, more cheaper, and more profitable guys, and you can make like $500 per day on complete autopilot. Well, that depends on the traffic, right? Now you can first Google, Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo, and Amazon to send you guys verified email subscribers over and over and over again. This is so powerful, right? Now, before I'm going to show you guys the demo of this, how this works, how you can easily create a list, how you can create automation workflow, how you set up an SMTP, guys, how to to create a campaign, how to broadcast an email within this application. Let me show you first my bonuses. That way, when you guys pick this up, through the link down in the description of this video, you get access, guys, to additional value that will really help you guys out get great result with HyperList, right? Now, bonus number one, I'm gonna give you access, guys, to 200 plus done for you high converting email swipes. Now you can just plug in this high converting email swipes into your automation workflow right here, you know, and make money over and over again, promoting different kind of offers on complete autopilot. And if this 200 plus done for you high converting email is not enough, guys, I'm gonna give you access to a one-click software. It's gonna let you guys write an email for you. That way you don't need to write an email. You don't need to worry about writing an email again, right? That is my bonus number one. My bonus number two, guys, I'm gonna show you how to make $100 per day on complete autopilot using only free traffic. I'm gonna reveal to you guys this three simple step process on how to make $100 per day using free traffic. Bonus number three, guys, I'm gonna give you access to 3-in-1 email marketing software. With this application, guys, you can send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers without monthly payment. Bonus number four, guys, I'm gonna give you access to my three free traffic strategies. It's gonna let you guys drive unlimited amount of traffic on complete autopilot to your HyperLists system, right? This is so powerful, guys, right? Especially when you don't have that enough money to pay per ads. This free traffic strategies can really help you guys out. That is my bonus number four. Bonus number five, guys, I'm gonna give you access to an automated software. It's gonna let you guys put your affiliate link into the description of YouTube channel. This is so powerful. It's gonna let you guys hack YouTube, right? This is so powerful. Bonus number six, guys, lifetime support and help. This is one of the best bonuses that you're gonna get from me, and no one else is gonna do this for you because other marketers, they're not really care about your result. That is why I'm including this as part of my bonus number six. Bonus number seven, guys, I'm gonna show you how to make $152 per day just by re-uploading other people's content and turning that content into a profit generating machine. This is so powerful method, guys, and no one else is gonna teach you this on the marketplace, right? Bonus number eight, guys, I'm going to show you how to make $50 per day creating and selling your own product. And I'm going to show you guys how to drive unlimited amount of traffic. This free viral and untapped traffic, guys, it's gonna blow your mind, right? It's so powerful method, guys, to make $50 per day, you know, selling your own product using this free viral traffic. You can drive a limited amount of traffic on complete autopilot using this free and top viral traffic. That is my bonus number eight. And of course, guys, you get access to all vendor bonuses right here. Let me show you guys some of the bonuses from the vendor. Yeah, you can also get bonus number one, guys, you get access to list building on a budget. Bonus number two, email monetizer. Bonus number three, extreme list build plugin. Bonus number four, traffic machine. Bonus number five, 10K blueprint. Bonus number six, list building traffic kit. Bonus number seven, lead book generator. Bonus number eight, product creation formula. Bonus number nine, sales funnel mastery. Bonus number 10, list building with stories. And yeah, those are all of the bonuses from the vendor, and of course all of my bonuses, guys. Now this document is waiting for you inside of your Wario Plus account. You get instant access to this document free of charge after your purchase of HyperList. Now when you guys click the link, this will take you to the sales page, which looks something like this. The headline says build huge hyper email lists that are 10x more engaged, cheaper, profitable, and can make you $500 per day without traffic skills or the budget within just 3 simple clicks, right? Alright guys, so let me show you around what you can expect inside of HyperList. Now, there's a training right here. It's really important that you watch this video training first. That way you can fully understand how this system works. But basically guys, this is where you create a list right here. You can create unlimited lists and different kind of niches. It can be weight loss niche, make money online niche, affiliate marketing niche. It can be any kind of list. Or you can also import these subscribers right here. This is where you view all the lists that you have, right? Now, you can also set up an automation campaign, automation workflow if you wanted to segment people to receive an email each and every day. This is where you do it. Now, I already have a couple of workflow or segmentation right here. This is where how you do it. You can edit this. You can delete this one right here. All right. And if you wanted to create your own workflow, then this is where you create your own workflow. You create your campaign right here, and this is where you set that up, right? And then this is where you set up your SMTP. Now you can use, Gmail SMTP if you wanted to use Gmail. Let me show you guys that I've created or set up my SMTP right here. So I use Gmail right here and I set up my SMTP right here. But you can set up your own SMTP. Like, if you have your own SMTP, you can also do that. And this is where you create your campaign. This is where you build your list on complete autopilot, right? So you would click on add new right here, right? You would add you add in your campaign name, and this is where you put your URL, and you choose whichever platform type that you wanted to use, like Facebook, Google, Amazon, Twitter, right? So this is where you do it. I already have a campaign right here. I'm just gonna click on generate campaigns right here, and this is the URL that you wanted to send people into this URL, right? Now when they click on this URL right here, it's gonna take them to this page right here. Now I use Google. Now when they click on this, let me click on this one right here. Now it's gonna take them to the offer, or to affiliate offers that you wanted to promote. So in this case, this is like an offer from ClickBank, right? It's really powerful, guys, because once they click on that, click on that continue with Google, you'll be able to collect the email addresses right here. See this one right here. Now I already have. Now let me refresh this for now. Now I have one leads right here because I'm able to collect that leads into my campaign, right? It's so powerful, and that's how you build your list on complete autopilot. And then you can segment that. You can segment these leads right here using this automation workflow. That way, these leads, you know, can receive an emails each and every day on complete autopilot, and that's how you make money using this method, right? So just like I said, guys, this is so powerful, and this is where you view your analytics right here. You can view what your campaign is doing, right? This is where you view that, and then you can also monitor the JBZoo marketplace. If you wanted to promote products from JBZoo, this is where you search a product, and this is where you monitor what are the hot and trending products inside of JBZoo marketplace right here, right? And they have some email templates right here that you can also use. Now you can also broadcast an email within HyperList, guys. This is where you do it. You click on add settings right here, and this is where you send out an email to your list of subscribers right here. This is so powerful, right? Now if you guys wanted to connect your own autoresponder, this is where you do it. You would also connect your own autoresponder. You can connect to iContact. You can connect to SendFalls, Active Campaign, SendLane, However, GetResponse, MailChimp. There are other email marketing integration as well that you can also do within HyperList. And if you guys wanted to connect your custom domain, you can also do that, but this is part of the upsell. If you wanted to search product from JBZoo marketplace, you can also do that right here. If you wanted to monitor what are the hot and trending products from JBZoo, this is where you also search that product right here. And then you can also add like sub users within HyperList if you wanted to do that. Email templates is included as well inside of HyperList, right? So yeah, those are the things that you're gonna expect inside of HyperList, guys. If you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer all the questions that you have. And if you guys would love to pick it up, you also get access to all of these bonuses completely free of charge. These bonuses, guys, is waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus account. And if for some reason you can access this document, all you have to do is send me your purchase receipt. I'm gonna send you these bonuses personally. All right. So yeah, just watch the video right here, guys. Just read the information of the sales page and have an informed decision if this is something that can really help you guys out. This comes with 30 days money back guarantee, guys. And don't forget, guys, to use this coupon code right here. All right. Don't forget to use this coupon code. That way you get an additional $3 discount. All right. And just like I said, there's 30 days money back guarantee. You can always refund your money if you didn't like the product, right? And you still get all my bonuses completely free of charge, right? So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you. Bye.